So Movement schools are free public charter schools launched through the Movement Foundation with the goal of providing an excellent education to any child that wants it. The way that Movement schools work are, first, the Movement Foundation identifies an abandoned or underused facility. We buy it, turn it into an amazing school facility. We then give those keys over to Movement schools and the principal, and their job is to build an amazing school that serves the students in that area well. Movement schools are open to anyone who wants to be a part of them, so it costs nothing to enroll at the school. They're free public schools. If you want to be a part of Movement school, all you have to do is fill out a form online and we admit you. One of the reasons that Movement schools exist is we want to expand great educational opportunities to more students in our nation. One of the things I say is, if you have enough money, you can make sure you're in a good school. If you don't have enough money just to pick up and move or go to a private school, if that local public school is not working for you, you're stuck. You have no other choices. And Movement School exists to be that great other choice for families who may not have another choice.